Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the settings section of your WordPress site. From my dashboard, I'm going to go to my left menu and choose Settings. This is your general settings, which just allows you to change a few things. We have our site title, which you can also change when you customize your theme, and you can add a tagline if you want. Also, if you're migrating your site or moving its location, this is where you would change your WordPress URLs. Under our reading settings, this is where you would change your front page displays. You can set your front page to be your posts or a static page. The discussion settings will allow you to customize the settings for the comments section of your site. You can also change your permalinks, which is the URL that's used for your site and its pages. Also, sometimes when you download a plugin, it will get its own section under the Settings menu. For example, I have an Under Construction plugin, and now it has its own section of the settings that I can click on and customize it right from here. And that is the settings section of your WordPress site.